There's two challenges that we face in our businesses each and every day: prospects and money. But today, I'm going to share with you this simple method that's going to help you turn that all around. Hi, I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad, and I want to share this with you guys today. This is so phenomenal. I actually use this strategy myself to help build my businesses. I went from having no leads in my business to having 20, 40, 50, 100, even 1,000 leads per day, and now you can too. I want you guys to click the link, and it's going to take you into a system that's going to help you. And it's going to give you free information from a wonderful webinar that's going to help you build your business today. So don't delay. I don't know how long I'll be able to keep this up, but you guys need to act now. Press the link, hit the link, take action now. Build your business. Get the leads and the money that you've been looking for, the things that you've been desiring, to create the free time that you want to have in your business and in your life each and every day. I started this, and I started 4 years ago, and now I quit my job and I'm able to do the things that I want to do and spend the time that I want to spend with my family, doing the things that I know, the things that I love, and the things that I enjoy, and you can too. So act now. Click the link.